Hey guys, it's Chris here from Chris's Creative Life, and I design workshops that help you create beautiful projects from start to finish with easy to follow guides. Sorry, I was trying to click on so that I could actually see my video somewhere because Facebook is being super weird about the comments lately. So I wanted to be able to see the comments. So I was slightly muted there for the first few seconds, but luckily I caught it right away. Okay, so today I'm here to show you my VIP Highlights workshop. So I wanted to just talk about what this is, and because some people I think don't even realize what it is. So I'm going to shoot you down onto my desk and we're going to do a little walkthrough here. Here we go. Okay. So for whoever has not seen it, there is a new VIP bundle from Close to My Heart. So it's an exclusive product. Only VIPs can order it. And really, if you're not a VIP, but you are a Close to My Heart customer, you really should be a VIP because there's savings involved. You can bank your credits and put them towards free stuff. It's a great program if you are just interested in getting a discount on some products. And one of the things that they've done over the course of the first year is create exclusive bundles. And they've been fun. There's been different ones. There's a card making one. There was another scrapbooking one. Now, they have created a workshop for it, but it's not till the end of March. So, and when I saw the bundle, I knew right away that I wanted to create an alternative workshop with it because I really liked the products inside. So it's a little bit different. So the way this one works is it is a bundle. And I did use everything in the bundle. I did not use the stamp set, but the stamp set is super easy to add to my workshop or use on cards. So at some point I might come back and do that as a few lives and show you some alternate cards and stuff to use with the stamp set. But other than that, I used all the contents of the bundle. So we'll just quickly walk through the bundle. Like I said, there's a stamp set, there's flip flops, there is a memory protector, there are black acrylic hearts, there is an exclusive set of PML cards, and that's what makes this one a little bit different. The rest of the stuff in here is there's mix-ins paper, there's cardstock, and there's page protectors. And like I said, I use all of that. So I'm not going to walk you through all of it. And then there are, like I said, these exclusive PML cards. And that's what makes it kind of a little bit fun, a little bit different. I really loved the color palette for this workshop. And I don't know, I might have to actually do something else with that same color palette going forward. That's just a little hint at something that might be coming maybe in the future that I'm working on in the background. But so what I did is I'm just going to pull up here the supply list so I can just walk you through what I actually used. Okay, so I used that bundle. Sorry, put this here, see if it'll focus on that. There we go. So I used the bundle plus one piece of white daisy cardstock so that I could get more layouts. So I created 4 layouts with the products. I also used papaya shimmer trim. I liked the way that looked with it, but there's lots of other shimmer trims that would totally coordinate with it that you could switch it out for if you prefer. And then I used silver glitter gems. So these are the files, but first we're going to take a look at the workshop, and I want to turn the page so that we can see what is going on here. Okay, I'm just going to put this stuff on my chair beside me. Okay, let me just pull up. Okay, you guys, I don't know why. Let me just reorganize my little boxes here. Okay, so I did, like I said, I used everything in this bundle, and I added one piece of cardstock. I'm going to pull this up on my iPad because I can see there's comments, and they're actually not coming through my program at the moment. So we will see what is going on. So like I said, I did use the flip flaps. And such. So I'll just put this in front of me so that I can actually see if there's questions coming in. So there we go. Okay, so this is layout number 1. And like I said, the workshop is full of the exclusive PML cards. And I believe I used all of them except for maybe 1 or 2, which you could totally incorporate into something else. I did add the flip flaps into the workshop also. I've altered a lot of the PML cards to help them suit the layouts. So this is layout number 1. And then here is layout number 2, which is on the papaya background. I don't know why it seems so dark in here today also. That's very interesting. But so, like I said, I've cut them up. I did use the papaya shimmer trim, but also black shimmer trim would look great with this workshop. It wasn't in stock when I was designing. Silver would also look awesome with it. You could also just pull from your stash. So like I said, savor this moment. I love all of the PML cards. I think it's a really neat theme for people to be able to document their stories. So that's layout number 2. Here is layout number 3. These are the days. Fantastic. The little tiny details of the doodling flowers are so sweet on the layouts. Like I said, I tried to keep them pretty simple. The theme of the mix-ins is black and white, so any of your color pop is coming from your cards and your accent cardstock. So this is layout number 3. And then this is layout number 4, My Whole World. Love This Life of Ours. So this is where I have incorporated the extra memory protector. So this is the last few PML cards. And then also here is this super cute little flip flop. So you can get a few more photos in here. Like I said, I love the dainty details of the doodled flowers. So this is layout number 4. Like I said, here is layout number 3. Here is layout number 2. And then back to layout number 1. So I'm just going to quickly go through what you get if you order the workshop files. Flip this over. So like I said, there is a cover page, and then there's your full supply list with some general workshop directions. They typically don't vary a ton between my workshops because once you start doing them, you'll figure out the process that I use, and it makes it very easy to go from cutting to assembling to adding your photos to the workshop. So then there are your background colors. There's some directions, and you don't need a ton of directions. You kind of just need a starting point. There is a photograph of the layout before all the photo boxes. And like the flip flaps in this example are on the page and before all the photo mats. It just kind of is a little bit helpful to kind of see it all before all of the embellishments are on the page. So there are those directions. There are full color photographs of each of the layouts and a few details. In the directions too, there's also, if there's anything that might not be super clear, you can find that in the directions. There is then a full color cutting guide so that you use your paper so that your pages turn out exactly the same way as mine. And there's very little waste. I try and use everything to its full capacity so that you don't feel bad about throwing away a little bit of Mixin's paper or a little bit of cardstock when you're done. The cardstock, if you wanted, you could throw it in your scrap bin. And like I go into details as to how to cut up the PML cards so that the layout looks the same, where they belong, if they're in a flip-flop, etc. So you guys can stop by my blog if you want to read any more details. It's thechris'screativelife.com. And I hope you guys have a great day. Like I said, I really love the way this turned out. It is definitely a fun combination of colors and all of that. Just a sec, I'm just going to add myself.